Introduction. Environmental impact of diet choices. Switching to a plant-based diet offers numerous benefits for the environment. As global concerns about climate change and sustainability grow, many individuals are turning to plant-based eating as a way to reduce their ecological footprint. This lifestyle change not only benefits personal health but also significantly lowers the strain on the planet's resources. Reduced greenhouse gas emissions. Animal agriculture is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, particularly methane, which is far more potent than carbon dioxide. By adopting a plant-based diet, individuals can reduce the demand for meat and dairy products, thereby cutting down the emissions associated with livestock farming. This helps mitigate the effects of climate change and promotes a healthier atmosphere. Conservation of water resources. Producing plant-based foods generally requires less water than raising animals for food. For example, producing 1 pound of beef requires approximately 1,800 gallons of water, while growing a pound of vegetables requires significantly less. By shifting to plant-based eating, water consumption is reduced, helping preserve this vital resource in regions facing water scarcity. Protection of biodiversity. Livestock farming is a leading cause of deforestation, as forests are cleared to create grazing land or grow animal feed crops. Transitioning to plant-based diets helps reduce the need for animal agriculture, thereby limiting the destruction of ecosystems and preserving biodiversity. This shift supports the protection of wildlife habitats and reduces the pressure on endangered species. Reduction in land use and soil degradation. Animal agriculture requires large amounts of land for grazing and growing feed crops. This often leads to soil degradation, erosion, and loss of arable land. Plant-based diets require significantly less land area, which can help preserve soil health and reduce the degradation of natural landscapes, fostering a more sustainable use of Earth's resources. Lowered energy consumption. It takes more energy to produce animal-based foods due to the multiple stages involved in raising, feeding, and processing animals. Plant-based foods, on the other hand, generally require less energy to grow and transport. By reducing reliance on animal products, individuals can help reduce overall energy consumption, contributing to lower carbon emissions and a more sustainable food system. Waste reduction and resource efficiency. The production of plant-based foods is typically more resource efficient than that of animal-based foods. With less food waste generated in the growing and processing of plants, plant-based diets help conserve resources like energy, water, and raw materials. Additionally, a plant-based diet promotes a more efficient use of arable land by focusing on growing edible crops directly for human consumption. Sustainable food systems. A plant-based diet supports more sustainable food systems by encouraging the production of crops that can be grown year-round in diverse climates. This helps create food security, reduce reliance on fossil fuels, and protect ecosystems. By making plant-based foods more mainstream, consumers drive demand for sustainable agricultural practices that benefit both the environment and society. Mitigating ocean pollution. Industrial fishing practices contribute to ocean pollution, harming marine life and ecosystems. By reducing the demand for fish and seafood, plant-based diets can alleviate pressure on oceans and allow ecosystems to recover. Additionally, sustainable plant-based food production can help maintain water quality and protect aquatic habitats. Conclusion. A positive change for the planet. Switching to a plant-based diet offers a simple yet powerful way to help combat environmental challenges. From reducing greenhouse gas emissions to conserving water and land resources, the benefits of plant-based eating are clear. By making this shift, individuals can contribute to a more sustainable future and take an active role in protecting the planet for generations to come.